God, those are my important things. Those are falling over. All right. You look like Hot Wheels. Pick them up, and that's what I pretend to do while I'm working. I'll pass the time, but I'm all about business too. All right, I think I'm ready. Just tell me when to start. You're not? All right, I'm just gonna go. I'm organic. I'm rigorous. I'm raw. I'm to the point. I'm loving, endearing. All right, that's good. That's good.
Oh, I wish the sun.
I work in Midtown, man. It's fast paced, you know what I'm saying? It's like every second there's something going on. Franklin, them ain't none of your friends.
You gotta just be a good player.
All right, good. Hey, hey, good to see you.
So we want to congratulate Jessica. July, so congratulations to Jessica. Thank you.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Good.
Are you guys crushing it? What's going on?
So are you talking about today or just me, period?
You always crush it, period. Like,
Oh.
Okay, so creating video content, the content that this man comes up with, how did he come up with it? And then how did you get the kahunas in order to film yourself like in the bathtub or in the shower and put it on Facebook? Yeah, you guys are like, what? No, we're not doing any X-rated things.
Yeah, the price. I cut it all the way in half. Took care of everything. I'll take it. Thank you. I'll take it.
We are with our team teaching a little bit about mortgages, programs, marketing, and social media, different things of that nature.
We are here to do a presentation to a larger group of realtors where we actually invited Steve Haru from Victory Selling. He's going to come down and talk about slaying the iBuyer. I get to speak about what I speak about, which is creating content, dominating social media, and of course, video. So we're excited to be here.
There's a community of people, like the Lowe's that are in the back. They even pressured me when they were in Vegas just 2 weeks ago to get my butt on camera even more. So, we were just talking, and we were talking about this, and he said, you know what? I'm already coming to Atlanta. What if I'll be willing to teach video? And I'm like, you will? Well, I mean, because there's, how many?
4th and 10, last play of the game, and then the coach said, I want to sit Julio Jones. You'd be like, what the hell are you doing, right? He's a weapon. This is the same thing. If you're not utilizing social media, you are leaving the best weapon that you could possibly be using that's relatively free on the bench.
Hundreds of 6- and 7-figure salespeople in every industry, right? Real estate, marketing, all kinds of industries. What I wanted to find out was what are they doing to earn that kind of income? Like, what are their daily habits? What do they do for marketing? What do they do for prospecting? What do they do for social media?
$1 million. $1 million. All right.
Oh, I wish the sun